Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Jubita Pontepedra, 41 years old. I live in Mahihai, Laguna.
Are you single or married?
Marriage, ma'am.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have 4 brothers and 9 sisters.
And you are the?
I have 3 in the family, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
I have 3 kids, ma'am.
How old are your kids?
22, 23, and 19.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband.
Are you a high school or college graduate?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in working abroad?
I work experience in abroad, ma'am, in Oman and Bahrain.
For how long?
In Oman, 4 years, and Bahrain, 2 years.
Okay, what are your main duties with them?
Taking a baby, cooking, and washing and ironing.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I want to new experience, ma'am, and I want to help family needs.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Little, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn more?
I will.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
It's okay, ma'am. I will.
How about an elder person?
I try my best. I will, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach for how to sing and write.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
ABC, ma'am.
Okay, can you give an example?
Okay, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you sing with me.
Okay, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Understanding my language.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am hardworking and patient.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer?
Ma'am, if give me a chance for me, for your helper in your family, and I try my best and I want to learn.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
I promise, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.